Hi guys, today we're going to replace the rear wiper blade in Nissan Kicks. First of all, what you need to know is when you replace it, you should not twist the blade like this. This way you will break it. And the proper way to do it is to grab the base and pull the blade off this way. Just pull it away from the blade to the right side. And our blade is off. As you can see, now we can install a new one, and you will see a small notch there, and this is how you install the new ones, similar way, and just push it back in like this, and the replacement is complete.